Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to claim your daily Cipher Morse code on Hamster Kombat. The 1 million Morse code, 1 million daily Cipher on Hamster Kombat. So the first thing you do is to click on End per tap 3 times. This End per tap, you click on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It will activate the daily Cipher. As you can see, we are about to claim 1 million coins. So the code for today, the Morse code for today is gamify. So the first one is G. The first letter is G. So to get that G, you click dash dash dot dash 2 times and then dot once. And to get the dash, you long press once, long press again, then you tap dash once, and you tap once to get the dot. That's for G. Then for A, you click dot once and then dash. Then for M is dash 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 dash. For E is dot, you click once. For F is dot dot dash and dot dash and dot. That's for F. Then for I, you click dot twice, 1, 2. So we've gotten the code. As you can see, the code is cracked. You are a real detective, take the prize. So you click on take the prize. So that's it guys. Ensure you like the video, subscribe, and also click on the bell notification to get more videos like this. Thank you.